Tired of losing your Pinterest inspiration in a sea of browser tabs? Today, I'll show you how to bring the visual power of Pinterest directly into your Notion workspace. First, open the Notion page where you want to embed your Pinterest board. Then, type /embed, select the embed option from the menu. Now go to Pinterest and navigate to the specific board you want to integrate. Copy the URL of your chosen Pinterest board. Make sure you are copying the full address that includes the HTTPS. Back in Notion, paste the Pinterest board URL into the Embed Link box. Click the Embed Link button. And just like that, your Pinterest board is now beautifully integrated into your Notion page. You can resize the embedded board by dragging the corners to fit your desired layout. Now you can browse your Pinterest inspiration directly within Notion, making it easy to access your visuals while working on projects and staying organized. You can also move the integrated Pinterest board by hovering and clicking on the 6 dots, allowing you to drag and drop the Pinterest board anywhere in your page. Integrate multiple boards for different projects to create a visually rich and supremely organized workspace. Start using Notion and Pinterest together today and unleash your productivity.